PS source. Okay, it is available. Now right click here and create directly the DTP. Okay, even you can check the transmission is there or not. If it is there, then okay, let's check it here. Yes, see here it is source system. Okay, it is there. Transmission already someone is created, so it is there in flow already. This is the source. You can see this is the source and this is the target. Target is 0SD underscore 0O03 is a ODS, standard ODS. Okay. Similarly, if you check it, DTP even someone is already created. Even if you not created, you can create it. Let's check it. Someone is already created DTP. See, it is created. Full load is already created. Someone you can see here. Okay. Data extraction part directly from source system, not PSA. See, this is a difference. Earlier we have seen from PSA, right? So now, okay, now we are not going to load the data from PSA. There is no existence InfoQ, PSA or data source. Okay, directly data come from your source system, SAP system. That's why here see by default is selecting directed. No PSA or data source available. Even you can see adapter. What do you mean by adapter here? It's saying ODP framework. Okay, earlier it was not there. Earlier like extraction DTP. Okay, earlier extraction was PSA extraction. Okay, now it was operational ODP concept. Okay, so you can see there is no need to exist data here, but data source should be mentioned, but data should not load here. Okay, it is only for mapping purpose. Mapping purpose means there is no data required to load here in the PSA. There is data source. Okay, only mapping should be there, but not required to pull data here. Then your directly data come using DTP. No need in picture so. If you click this DTP, directly data will come. Okay, into your target. Okay, so that's the reason here. Okay, now come to the here full DTP. Okay, so this is a full DTP. Okay, so I'm going to load full first. So you can see if you have any filters, you can put it here, any filters if you want to required, otherwise not required, mandatory to have it. Okay, and now you can see source system would be there. Okay, this is the ODP source systems. Okay, updates, you can check it here, updates. If you want anything here, you can, as per the normal handling, or all should be similar. Okay, now if you want, you can execute it. Okay, now to execute. So full data load is going to come. Now refresh. See 2000 records bring. Okay. So now, now I mean see, as I told you earlier, data came from data source, right? But this is a ODP framework. So where how we check, where we should check 2000 records is correct, or how we are going to synchronous. I mean how data reconcile. Okay, whether where you can see. So we are learning ODP here. So ODP is a one T code. Okay, in ECC similar we are going to check RSA3. Okay, but here we will have a common T codes in SAP, that is ODPMON. So let's go into ODQMON. So let's go to here. Okay, in SAP system. ODQMON is a common T code where you can find all the data load, full or delta, both. As I told you, ODQ here. Okay, here ODQ. So let's ODQMON. Yes, see here. This is a like a common T code where you can check all the data load going from here. Okay, you can see subscription list would be there, request list. I would like to all. Okay, now here you have to find it. Okay, you have to find it. So 2000 record I have loaded from this data source, right? So the data source update would be here. You can select here. You can queue name, you can put it here. See under provider, as I told you, provider, these all are the provider, data source, ODP spokesman, okay, NetWeaver business warehouse, even data extraction from CDS view, all will be here. So now we are going to extract the data from data source. You can put it Q name here. This is the data source name. Okay. If you search it, let's search it. Press enter. Yes. Okay. See. So this is the, okay. If you want to layout, okay. See, you can change a layout, save layout, manage layout. So let's see, I want to change layout. I would like to some more information like Q name. Okay, right click here. Okay, just put it here top. Yes. See, this is I want to know. See, this is the data source. Okay, which I pull the data into BW. So I have triggered the data already. This is the see, I have triggered it. Okay. So you have to know. I mean, how you see this is the request, DTP request. Okay, and which one is the DTP name, technical name? This is a technical name like BL04. See, this is the so here you can track in SAP BL04. You can check here. Okay, the data source. Okay, select here this one Q. Okay, so this is a queue. Okay, all the data source should be in the queue. Okay, now here the second option is subscriptions. As I told you, subscriptions means that is a consumer, okay, target. So if you click here, yes, if you click this one, you will see here all the target system DTP would be here, source system DTP, everything is here. So just you can see subscription here. See, currently it is a Z. Okay, if you just double click, so make sure which one you have it. So request. See, if you want to check the request, so just double click anyone. Let's see this one and click. There is no request. Back it. You have to. There is 3 here subscription. So one by one you can check it which one is there for us. Okay. So here you can check the DTP. Yes, this is this one. See the latest DTP, that one, right? I have triggered it. Latest one, right? BL04. You can check it here. BL04. Check the timing and everything. See here. Latest timing. Okay, this is the timing. Lower limit timing. Okay, see. So earlier it was okay. We have triggered it. Okay. So even you can check it the request timing. See request time. This one is see. Today is the 7th. I guess 11. Right. See here. Yeah. So this is the extraction timing given in CAT. Okay. And this is the table name. Okay. So now I will tell you what is the meaning of this storage. See, this is a background job and this is a table. So ODQ table, ODQ data F. Okay, that means data is going to backup store into the SAP using this. So full load always go for this. Okay, and delta load always go for ODQ data. I'll show you all the table. SC11 ODQ data. ODQ data. See. So ODQ data, that is full. Okay. Yeah, that is full data. Always if you are triggering the full DTP, so data will come from this table. See 125. Okay. This is a request, this is not a data, it's a request. If you check the data, see, you will see here. This table basically store, okay, all the request. Okay, not data. It is all request. So see here, if you check your latest request, you will be here. Okay, your latest request would be here. Where okay, you have triggered today, it would be here someone. Okay, okay, so this is a table. Okay, similarly, if you are a delta, if you trigger delta, okay, then data would be in this table. The ODQ data. You select here, in this delta, only delta. See, so all the data sources, not this only. Okay, it will have a all queue. See, whenever delta you are going to pull, so all data, I mean delta data related to data source would be here. Okay, similar if you have an initial, there is a 3 extraction as I told you. Okay, delta, full or initial load, that is a init load as I told you. So there is another table that is ODQ data underscore C. You can see under this you will have. So whenever someone is created, okay, so it is came under this. Okay, so this is we have it the table.
Sorry.
Yeah,
So you know all the tables, right?
Correct.
In person to the system. How will I come to know which table has what information?
Yeah, that is, you have to remember. I have a that okay. I will share you that
Okay,
document. Okay,
fine.
so you right, yeah. Because you have to learn. That is the purpose, right? So
Because you are like freaking out because you're an expert. So
yeah,
for
yeah.
me,
That is
I
correct, correct.
can't
I understand.
remember
Correct,
all these things, right?
correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct. I have a list. I'll mail you. Okay,
Okay,
so
done.
I have to go through. See here, table name and all. Okay, I have a link even. Okay, see here. Okay, I have mentioned here all these things. See,
Correct.
init,
Got it.
ODC for init and ODF for full request and ODQ for data request. I will give it to you. Okay, and practice and see. Okay, so see here. Okay, now here. Okay, you what we will see here. Okay, one more features are there. See, this is a request. Okay, and if you click here, data unit, you can see the data even. See all the units you will see all the related means particular this data source, what kind of data, all the detail you can see here. Again, if you want to come move into queue, click queue. If you want a subscription here, you can click subscription. Okay, see, so whatever you want, okay, it will be here all the details. See subscription under who created, okay, when created, okay, all the detail would be here. Someone changes, last changes, everything would be here. Okay, so now I would like to show you one more thing here. Yeah, so if you see here, if you click this one, you click this one, see it is came here. If you double click here, see it is came here. So like this, you will just double click, you will see the detail. Okay, so let's show you one more thing. Just refresh this one. So let's come back. Yeah, so let's here come back. Okay, so now if you double click in this, okay, the request BL, okay, double click on this. Okay, if you double click on this, you will see the data even. See,
Yeah.
whatever the data you have loaded, you will see here. Similar kind of RSA3 in the LO extraction, right? Even RSA3. So no need to go RSA3 here. You just double click on this request. You all the data will be here in the bottom. See, all the data. Okay. And one more features are here. Like, yeah, I'll tell you what are the here available. Just close this one. Okay, now here one button are there, you can see here calculate data volume. Okay, so now, okay, if you click this one means you will have a more information related to this data load. If you click this one, you will see here. Okay, I'll back it, I'll show you what is this meaning of this. See, you can see lot of column is blank here. Okay, so I would like to more information on blank. Okay, more information for analysis for all. See, if you click this one, let's see. See, got it? All filled. Okay, so what is this basically? So this is a row information, means the latest request have a row, how many records? 2000 records. That's I told you here in the BW, we have a trigger, okay, and I have shown you through 2000 records will be there. See, right? Full 2000 records. So here in SAP, okay, you can see 2000 records is there. See 2000 records. Okay, and original size in byte. See, this is a size in byte, and this is a compressed size. Okay, 50,000 something. Okay, similar we have a compression ratio percentage. Okay, limit PSN like timestamps. Okay, upper limit timestamps. Okay, when what is trigger and when what is finished, all the detail would be here. Okay, see here. So this is the event job background. This is a background job. This, okay, every jobs, okay, every run there is some background job. If you right click here SM, or if you want to check it background job, you can see here there is an option called background job. See, if you click here, you will see just now it finished. See, you can match this one. ODQ00F. This is a background job. You can see this is a background job. If you click this one, so every extraction there is some background job. Okay, sometimes your job is going to cancel, or some reason some error due to cancel. Then what you need to do, how to fix it? These are support kind of issues. Okay, so in the real time, basically, let's see, this is a, in case it is failed some reason, okay, you want to re-trigger it, then how you can re-trigger it? So there is a here button called, see, read data again. If you click this one, see, it will ask only extraction data, delta can be read again, means delta, there is a full, right? So no need to anything, just okay, you can just trigger the DTP. Okay, full DTP. What do you mean? This is, see, just I'm going to clear only extraction delta. Okay, so here only if your delta is going to fail, in that scenario you have to repeat here. I mean, okay, if it is fail a full, no need to do anything in the here. If it is fail, let's see, you check this is a delta, okay, then you have to trigger here. Other, if it is full, no, not required to do any, just trigger DTP here. This, right? So this is the meaning of this. Okay, so this is the two options are there. Even here we have a log. If any error in queue, you will see the log here. Currently there is no log. Okay, nothing is there, no information, nothing, any failure. Even we have a check options, you can check it, current request, everything fine. There is some technical information, see, technical. If you want some technical information or description, you can click here. See, all the detail would be here. Similar, if a refresh options is there. Okay, so this is a subscription type. So type is a BW systems. Okay, subscriber would be this source system. Okay, so these are the detail related to this ODP or particular request. Okay, so this is the, we have all the detail here in the, okay, so now we will go here and now you can check here target. Okay, now you can see data would be in your, this is a DSO, right? So data would be in your, see, 2000 is a, okay, so this is in the new table. As I told you, data would go for the reporting, okay, see, new table, but I would like to load the data in active table. You can see this is the ASD 40, this is called new table or Q table. Okay, so you have to move into active table, then data would be available for reporting or data marting. Okay, so what should you do? You have to activate this request. You can see below all are the not request. Okay, delta, it is 00. Okay, so what you need to do? You have to just click here, click here, click, all you have to activate it. Okay, so let's here, I'm going to activate this request. Just refresh. It's going to, yeah, all going to. So it's mandatory. If you are using standard DSO, you have to activate it. Without activations, data will not go for reporting or data marting. Okay, so this is not a cube. Okay, this is a DSO. So DSO, one more step added, that is activations. Okay, so let's one. If you can check the job, sometimes no idea how long. See, it is completed. That means it is done. So just refresh. So it will be showing here, still showing. When you can check it here, it is completed. Yeah, it seems completed. Again, sometimes takes refresh time. Okay, so wait 2 minutes. It should be completed. Yeah, so it will complete. So meanwhile, let's see, there is one option called selective deletions. Okay, sometimes user will ask particular material document I want to delete from this DSO. Then what should you do? Okay, you don't need to delete all the requests, right? So selective deletions means if anyone want or your business user want, I need to particular material document or sales document, I want to delete it from this DSO, then how should I do? There is an option called selective deletions. Okay, you have to check here selections. Okay, see which one you want to delete it. Okay, sales document particular. Okay, so you have to know, I mean, what are the document available. Example, let's say I'll show you. See, there is so many documents are there. Let's see, and 15 document I want to delete it. Okay, so you have to delete it from 15. Just click here in the background. See selections, how you want to delete. Immediate, some process chain, or after event. So these are the job scheduling. So I want immediate. Click immediate. Okay, now start it. So once I start, your 15 document is going to delete it. See, it is asking where you want to delete, A table or activations queue table or change log table, both, where you want. Okay, so I want to delete, yes, from active table. See, it is started. Okay, now go to job and check it whether it is completed or not. Yeah, it is completed. Even you can see the job detail. Here you can see delete operation is done. Okay, like a 15 document is going to delete and job is finished. Go back and check the data is deleted from this DSO or not. Okay, how can check it? Go to active table here. See, active table data we are deleted. Okay, put 15. There is no request. See, got it? Okay, even you can check 16 one would be there because 16 we have not deleted. Okay, 16 I'm not sure 16 would be there or not, but 15 would not there. Let's check. See, says document. Okay, so let's remove. Even you can find it from here. Even if sometimes you can check it here. See, 15 is not there. Okay, that means it is deleted. Okay, even you can check here in the request. Just refresh it. Yeah, it is already done. You can see. So, so this is
It's
the
like
way.
writing a query, right? So, in case if we
Correct.
want this feature, just put
Correct.
that thing, yeah, just take it out. So
Correct. Correct.
then,
Correct. Absolutely right. Yeah. So in the SQL, basically you have to write a statement like delete a row.
yeah.
Okay, from table where condition is 15 sales document. Similar kind of here we have a, this is a tool. So no need to write a code here. You have a options here. Okay, you can as per the options you can use. Okay, so you will have a multiples. Okay, day by day. Okay, once have a more practice, you will have so much okay, so many options are there. Okay, so you will use that option. So this is we have a data loading till here. Okay, so now this is called a we can say a full loading. Okay, I mean full loading. Now let's see, I'm going to initial loading. Okay, so let's I'm init. I'm creating
I have
one.
one more question. Sorry. I
Yes,
have
yes, 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 yes.
So
Please, please.
let's say like after DSO before activating,
Mhm.
and loading the data, I can put the conditions, right? Whatever condition I want. So I don't need to do it after loading the data, correct?
No, no, no.
Okay, okay. Fine, fine. Got
So
it.
let me, yeah. See, this is a new table basically. So here is not like any option. You can filter out a specific data, you can load it or activate it. Okay, there is no kind of any where statement here. Okay, so okay, whenever you have a data in this, okay, if you would like to move into active table. Okay, why you
No,
require
I got
data
it.
in
I got
active
it.
table? Because it is available for reporting. See, anyhow,
Got
any
it.
data should be, if you are going to not activate, then data will not available for report, right? It is staying here. But if activate, this means data will move active table and change log both. So
Mm.
change log basically used for delta, okay,
Yeah,
delta
got it. Got
loading,
it. Yeah.
right? So there is, yeah, I got your question. Basically there is no any kind of here where condition. Okay, you can select. Okay, I got your question. Basically let's see here, thousands or 100 documents. If you want to 50 documents move into a click table, right? So no,
Mm.
this is not like, yeah, here is not possible kind of features.
Mm.
Okay, you have to move all the data, okay, from here to active table, new table
Got
to
it.
active table.
Once
Yeah,
you move only, then you write the where class or selected whatever,
correct,
right?
correct.
Got it.
Yes, yes, yeah. Okay, so I'm creating some other DTP init. Okay, because in init is also required init DTP. So I'm going to show you how we can creating the DTP basically. Let's do LIS. ODP. Initialize, okay, so I have done full. So this is the initialize delta initialization, okay. So again here, activate it. Okay, it's saying overlapping means already the DTP already is there, 10. Okay, so do it is already similar kind of DTP available. This one, this is the delta NEP. Okay, so no need to. So this is asking, okay, not possible to create because already similar DTP is available in this system. Okay, yeah, so what I need to do here, just click here and put it here in it. Okay, I'm not going to create, just save it, activate it. See, I'm going to init here. Okay, so now I'm going to, the DTP technical name is Jet10. Okay, so remember this one. So when I am going to trigger init, see, it will start init. Oh, 1 second, I guess it is saved init. See, it is not tick init, means it is not, see, 3 records is loaded, but is it delta, I guess, it's not init. So let's check it. See, 3 records are updated, delta. Okay, I guess some previous init is already there, that's the reason it is delta came. See, I guess let's check it here. Someone is already init, already is done. Okay, so that means, okay, yeah, already init someone is loaded here. That's the reason it is direct delta is coming data. Okay, see here, or you can have other options. You can go here in the here and you can check it. Okay, refresh this one. See, it is came here. Okay, or you can see the table. See data delta, right? As I told you. C, okay, C means that is init delta. So already someone is already initialized. Okay, that's why here you can see delta is pulled. See delta ODP, that is ODP ODQ. The data is the delta data. So you can see this is a request and this is the number of, okay, row is 7. Okay, all the record, whatever the record would be there, you can double click here. See data, 3 records is there, right? Okay, 3 record is updated. So you can check, see 3 record is updated here, right? So you can just activate this. Or you can check the data in the new table. What are the data available here before activate? See, 3 records are there. Sales document, this 3, okay, is updated here. So if you double click here, 3 records or the latest one. See here we have this one. Okay, see, this is going to okay, rest are, okay, the rest are for another document. See, 9575 is the records are there. So this is the way. Okay, if you have a data, just double click here and activate it. Go to here, activate it. Like this, start this. So delta data will pull here. Just refresh it. So this is not an init. Okay, init. Let's see. I'll show you here. See here, delta init. It is not marked. Okay, that means this is a delta load. Okay, so if it is marked, that means init load. Okay, so that's why init will not pick any data. This is without data, right? So this is the way 3 record is updated. Let's see, I'll show you another. Okay, I'm going to some change in ECC. Let's, if anything will happen or not. VA03 is a T code. Okay, so here let's see something. 990. Okay, sales order. I want to some changes. So how it is? So it is similar kind of LO, but there is a way of, okay, extraction is different. Okay, so let's here. Going to change here. I'm going to change here 1000, 6000. Right. Save it. It's saving, yeah. Okay, now yeah, let's pull it.